Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional, not in today's newspaper on Wednesday. It's today, Wednesday, May the 17th. No. In today's newspaper, we have no extra puzzles, no additional. It's the additional of Tuesday, May the 16th. Yesterday, yes. We have three puzzles left. The letter Sudoku with not 3 stars, 0 stars, and the tectonic with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. Yeah. All right. The first one, letter Sudoku, number 6450. Yeah, 6450. Oh, all right. 6450. And before I start, I always count the printed, in this case, letters. Those are letters, not digits. 27 printed letters. Unique letters. The 9 unique letters I can use are the E, the A, then the G, the T, the O, the S, the L, and the I. And the goal is to solve this word in the first column. It's a Dutch word. After I've solved this, I will translate this in English. Alright. And for letter Sudoku, I need my average time 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, we'll see if this is if I can solve this between in this time limit here. All right. So let's get started. Let me see which number which letter I can use. The E in this row, the E in the last row, so the row between. I don't need 2 places left for the E, should be here or there. We see an E in this column, no E there. E should be there. We have I in the third column, I in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the I should be here or there. We see an I in this row, no I there. I should be there. I in this row, I in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the I should be there. I. Well, cannot continue with I now. Need to wait. How about the N in this row? The N in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the N should be here or there. We see an N in this column. No N there. N should be there. The N in this column, the N in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the N should be here or there. We see an N in the last row. No N there. N should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing letters in the last row. One of the missing letters is the S. We have a S in this big square, so no S in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the S should be there. S in the last row. S in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the S should be here or there. We see an S in this column, so no S there. S should be there. E in this column, E in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We have a E in this row, no E there. E should be there. Overlooked. E in this row, E in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the E should be here or there. We see an E in the first column, no E there. E should be here. E. Alright. Cannot continue with the E. How about the S we have there? And O we have there. The O we have here. The L, the O is missing, and L and the G is missing. G, O, O, L, G. Okay. OLG, that means the A and the T. A and a T. Yeah. 3 missing letters are missing in the last row. Those missing letters are the O is missing, L is missing, and the G is missing. OLG. That means the other 2 missing letters in this big square are the letters A is missing and the T is missing. A and T, yeah. A and a T, a T. A, so we have a T here. Yeah, T in one of those 2 boxes in this row, T in the last row, so in the row between. The only 2 places left for the T should be here or there. We see a T in the second column, no T there. T should be there. O O O E I T A. Alright. I-T-I-T-S-E-N. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing letters. 2 of those missing letters are the L and the O. We have L and O in this column, so no L and O in these 3 boxes. We have a L and a O in the second row, so no L and O in those 3 boxes. The L and O goes in these 2 boxes as a pair, L and O. Alright. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters. One of the missing letters is a T. We have a T in this second row, so no T in these 3 boxes. So the T could be here, could be there. Alright. E-O-E-O-I. Yeah. One of the missing letter in this big square is the letter I. We have an I in this column, so no I in these 3 boxes. So the I in this big square could be here, could be there. Alright. I in this row, I in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the I could be here, could be there. Alright, now I-T-A. Yeah, A should be here. But the G, need a G here. Only 1 G in this puzzle. Alright. Come on. And then the E. I'm thinking. E. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the E. We have an E in the third row, so no E in these 2 boxes. So the E could be here, could be there. Yeah, and we need also an E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing letters in this big square. One of the missing letters is the E. We have an E in the third row, no E in these 2 boxes. We have an E in this column, so no E in those 2 boxes. So the E could be here, could be there. Yeah. Alright. Need a O. O. Need a T. T. Need an A. Yeah, I need A. No A. A in this column, A in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the A could be here, could be there. Yeah. N in this column, and in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places left for the N should be here, or there. You see an N in this row, no N there. Here an N in the third row, no N there, so the only place left for the N should be there. N in the first column, N in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the N should be here or there. We see an N in this row, no N there. N should be there. Can I count? And all the N's are used. I can see digit number 1, letter N. Right. O in this column, O in the second column. So the fifth column, the only place left for the O should be there. 2 missing letters in this big square. For letters, G is missing and the L is missing. G and L, we have an L in the first column, no L there. L should be here, and the G goes there. The second G. So we have a G there. Need a G here. 2 missing letters in this row for letters G and A. G and A. G and A. So 1 letter is missing now in this big square. For the letter L is missing here. Alright, L and O. We have an L now in this column, so no L there. L should be here. And O goes there. O in this column, O in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the O should be here, here, or there. We see an O in this row, no O there. Here an O in the middle row, so no O there, so the only place left for the O should be there. We have a pair. The O in the third row, O in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the O goes together with the I as a pair. O and I, O and I. So I've eliminated the E, so the E goes there then. Alright. Okay, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the E. We have an E now in the second row, so no E there. E should be there. Now I can count, and all the E's are used. I can see letter number 2, letter E. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. A is missing, and T is missing. A and a T, a T. Again, a T. So we have a pair now, a T. O. O and I, we already have an O here in this column, so no O there. O should be here, and I goes there. Alright. In this column, in the last column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the I should be here or there. We see an I in this row, no I there. I should be there. I in this row, I in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the I should be here or there. We see an I in this column, no I there. I should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with I. We have an I now in this column, so no I there. I should be there. Can I count? And all the I's are used. I can see letter number 3, letter I. How about the O? Yeah, the O in this column, the O in the column next, so last column, the only place left for the O should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the O's are used. I can see letter number 4, letter O. So here we have 2 letters. I'm missing the L and the G, L and the G. We have an L in this column, no L there. L should be here, and the G goes there. L in this column, L in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the A. L should be here or there. You see an L in this row, no L there. L should be here. Yeah. G and A, G and A. So 2 missing letters in the second row for letters G and A, G and A. We have an A in this column, so no A there. A should be here. And the G goes there. This is G. Well, let me do this. The G. G in this row, G in the second row. So third row, the only place left for the G should be there. So one letter is missing in this big square for letter T. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters S are missing, and L is missing. S and L. We have a L in this column, no L there. L should be here. And S goes there. So 2 missing letters in this column. For letters A and a T, A-T. I know the word. So need a T here. So here we have a pair. So 1 missing letter in this column. For the letter S is missing here. Okay, 2 missing letters in this column. For letters S and the A is missing. S and A, S and A. G and A, we have an A now in this column, so no A there. A should be here. And the G goes there. 2 missing letters in this big square for the letters. T is missing and G is missing. T and a G. TG. That means we need a T in this row. Here can be T because we have a T in one of those 2 boxes in this big square. Here can be T. We have a T in this column. No T. There's the only place left for T should be there. A or a T. We have a T now in this column. So this box should be an A. And that box should be a T. A and T. We have a T in this column. No T there. T should be here. And the A goes there. 1 box left in the last. 2 missing letters in this big square for letters. A is missing and G is missing. A and G. We have a G in this column. No G there. G should be here and A goes there. Well, T and A. We have an A now in this row. No A there. A should be here and T goes there. 17 minutes. Nostalgie is the word. In English, nostalgia. Yes. Alright, nostalgia. Nostalgia. 2 missing letters in this big square. For the letters S is missing and the G is missing. We have a G in the third column, no G there. G should be here and S goes there. S and A, we have a S in this row, no S there. S should be here and A goes there. And the last 2 letters, T and G, we have a T in this row, no T there. T should be here and the G goes there. Finished. 80 minutes. Well. I like this one. Yes, I like this one to solve. Yeah. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Sudoku with 0 stars and the Tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye bye for now.